welcome back to my channel. My name is Kendall Malm, and I took a little siesta from my YouTube channel for a couple months because I was starting a new job. I am now a real estate agent as well as a fashion vlogger. I have so many hats to wear right now, but I'm so excited to be back on YouTube and to see all of you again. I have missed you so much, and in order to get into the video spirit again, I decided to start with a challenge. So I took on a challenge to wear Romwe clothes that are around $5 for 5 days straight. Unfortunately, I went a little bit above my $5 limit every day, but they were all at least under $10. I have to say the quality of their clothes are pretty good for the price. I am very, very shocked, and I'll definitely shop from them again. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. I'm so excited to see you guys again, and let's jump right into this video. So this is my outfit today, and it is this dress from Romwe, which was $8.09. As you can see, it's a super cute springy dress. I will link everything down below. I'm gonna give this dress a thumbs up. That concludes today's outfit. As you can see, it was just fun and bright and flirty, and I got a lot of compliments on it when I went to the mall, and I took a really cute picture, which I will pop up on the screen. But yeah, so basically today was just an easy day where I ran errands all day, and like, who doesn't like nice, comfy summer dresses for the summer? So I'm so excited for today's outfit because I get to be comfy cozy. My favorite outfit. This is my outfit of the day. Oh my god. So I'm so obsessed. This top was like $4.13. And look, it's sparkly. Sparkles. And then these elephant bottoms, like look, they literally have elephants on them. Look how cute. These were $8. I'm so obsessed with this. I know I went a little bit over my budget again, but like, I couldn't resist the elephants. They're just so cute. But I do a lot of like computer stuff on a daily basis, so a lot of my wardrobe ends up being something comfortable, and I have to say that I give both these pieces a thumbs up. And then I'm going to watch The Bachelor in this, so I'm stoked. And if you guys don't know, my ex-boyfriend is on The Bachelorette this season. So it is an exciting season to definitely watch. I will post my blog as well, because I have a blog post on my premiere bachelor party, in case any of you are Bachelorette fans like me. Alright guys, so this is another outfit from Romwe, and I'm actually really obsessed with this outfit. It is so cute. So I have a white tank top on and these really cute high-waisted shorts with this belt. So these are a small, and they're a really good size and a good fit, and then I just wore gold shoes with them as well. This shirt, you guys, was $3.23, and then these shorts are $7.19. Like, what a freaking bargain. I didn't even think about it, but I was like, oh my god, I gotta go to the office today, and this outfit ended up being perfect and classy. I can even just stick over a blazer if I need to like cover up the tattoos and things like that. Okay, so outfit today, you guys, is this really cute yellow and blue patterned set. The only thing is it's a little big on me. It is a size small, so I did have to belt it, but it's still really cute, so here it is. This outfit was $12.29, so I did go over my budget by a lot, but if you think about it, $12 for the entire thing, so not too bad. I have to give it a thumbs down because of the size. It is a size small, but it's way too big for me. But for cuteness, I give it a thumbs up. So I'm kind of in the middle right now between my thumbs up and thumbs down. But yeah, so I'm gonna go on a lunch date today, and this is the outfit of the day. Say hi. It's not a picture, it's a video. Cheers. So guys, the outfit, I added some lemons in this bag. I ended up taking another picture on the flower wall with the lemon bag and this outfit that I showed you guys. This is the last outfit of the week, and it's these checkered shorts and this, I thought this top was like super duper cute. Shorts, and then I'm just wearing my New Balance sneakers. However, these shorts are a little tiny. They're cute from the front, as you can see, but like, I'm gonna be real with you guys, and they're like way too tight on the butt. So, cute, but probably not an outfit I can wear outside. I'm wearing it more of like a casual, doing errands around the house today outfit. So my top was $5.03, but like actually I'm super obsessed with this top. I just think it's so cute. So I'm definitely giving the top a thumbs up, and the bottoms were $5.39, but I am giving them a thumbs down. They are small, but they're like really an extra small. So these are just not flattering. They're really cute if I got a size up, so just remember if you do buy these, buy a size up. But this concludes my 5-day Romwe haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Overall, I think I liked pretty much everything except for like 2 things, which were even just like, these shorts are even still cute, they're just not the right size. Anyways, I am so glad to be back with you guys, and I will see you real soon.